Ikaw narinig.
Okay.
Did you hear? Shy.
Okay, sure turn, Pastor.
Teka, LB, Pastor.
LB. LB, lumang bag.
Keep receipt too. Google Receipt.
Bagal pala yun.
Tabas pa.
So,
thank you for all the naglulutin pa rin kami ng mga favorites. Kahit yung mga namin sa mga po, thank you for always cooking, always remembering us. Kahit saan kayo, you never forget about us. Thank you so much.
Earlier, first week. She did it first. Nothing.
thank you. Masarap talaga maraming anak. Dito pa si Michael.
Although kami dalawa ni Kuya, all grown up na, there are times na, of course, kasi independent natin, but there are times na we still need a guide or care for us. Thank you for always being patient with me. Thank you for
all your sacrifices manifested maybe for will not be successful for her life. Might not be a perfect, but it's God's plan that you will become a thank you.
Okay, time is Bernard.
Oy, Bernard! Daddy stop. Oh, anak mo na nagsabi ha. Walang dayaan. Ay!
Yes! Bigay ko na. Alam na eh.
Mother's Day.
Wow!
So we still have.
Thank you for being a mom for me. Thank you for choosing me. You're so smart, right? The smartest woman I ever. No, chooses me. Thank you. Hawakan mo muna mga points.
Okay. Okay, this is second chance. Yeah, come on. Okay, mom is over here. 3 seconds now.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom, and I just want to say I'm grateful for all the things that you do in my life and all the support that you give me. So I just want to give my love to you. Happy Mother's Day.
Okay. preparing for this Mother's Day celebration, one of the men said, let's make it simple, the celebration, just like Mother's Day celebration. But because of all the help of the moms, we still have a very successful Mother's Day celebration. So thank you for all the moms, especially the ones who waking up so early. Again, happy Mothers. I love you, sir. Okay. Ruleta ng kapalaran. Nothing. Almost. You can have the LB. Lumang bag ni Pastora. Okay. Message from Pastor. Message first. Message.
What's for supper? This is the love of my life. My ministry is successful because of her.
And
All that she has supported and some of the things that I put her through because of ministry are experienced. So I love you, dear. And get a car wash.
grand prize.
The message, car wash.
Oh, no.
Oh, you want this spa?
Oh, the spa. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Almost.
Get washed.
Almost. Si Ate Marisa. Ate Marisa. Diyan. Message first. Message from Ate Marisa.
Okay.
Thank you, Mom.
Malayo pa.
For the guidance.
Thank you for always there for us, for me and Frankie, for John, and for all of us, even my siblings in the Philippines. She always supported me. Without you, we wouldn't be like a good person because of you. The rest is very good. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, Ate Marisa. Okay, nanay. Ikaw na po. Pero bago kayo mag-spin ang idea ko muna ka. Ate Nerving.
Galingan mo.
Yan pala ang message, galingan mo.
So I can use it as well. No, thank you, Nan, for taking care of me, cooking for me, teaching me how to spending time with me sa bahay, and cooking, and making sure I eat enough food every day. Thank you, Nan.
Happy Mother's Day, Nanay. Thank you for taking care of us, for pushing us to be the best that we can be, and ensuring that we have a good education kahit hirap pa tayo. Thank you for taking care of me and always making sure we have ballot.
Thank you. Gaganda ng message, pero yung cast mas maganda yun. Okay. Okay. Iwan mo na na. Okay.
Alalahanin niya mga shot.
Orchids flower. Ano yung gusto mo na? Ano dito? Ito, ipahin mo na. Okay. Happy Mother's Day, Nanay. Happy Mother's Day. Sabi niya, orchid, hindi na ako wala naman sa kanya sinabi. Okay, bago natin na-busy. O, mag-sing something muna siya.
Okay.
Happy Mother's Day. Thank you for raising Calvin and Carmen well. being so strong and always laging nasa pag-ibig. You are my anchor. Maraming.
Go, Ate go! Go! Wala nang more grades, okay? So, 1-year car was and another spot. Teka lang, okay, so we have 3 more chances to win. Okay. Ito na si Ate Amy. Yung pag-aari ng ruleta ng papalaran, dapat pagkakalo sa atin. But before you spin at Amy, I will give this microphone to Ning Ning. Ning Ning.
I wrote a little
Ready na siya.
It's a paragraph, okay? Hey mom, I just want to thank you so much for raising a confident girl like me. There's so many times that you could have just given up, but you didn't. I want to thank you so much. I want to thank the Lord so much for clothing you with patience and forgiving forgiveness. And by that, I can tell that God really took His time on you. After the moments together over time, it makes me feel so grateful to have a mother like you. God really has blessed me with such a wonderful mom, and I am forever indebted to you. I love you so much, and I pray that when I grow up, I can give you anything in the whole world. I love you so much.
Okay, Jeremiah.
Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. I love you. And I appreciate you for taking care of me. For teaching us life lessons. For helping us to bring out today. And we appreciate your help and your risk. And happy Mother's Day.
May sinasabi si May Moy eh. He's gonna buy a brand new house daw. Okay. Let me know the palaran. Okay. Almost. But it's okay, Ate Amy. Moy Moy is gonna give you a prize. Kasi
CR mo na kayo.
Almost there! Another spot. Okay. Since Kuya Eddie na, message. Sabi na ni Kuya Eddie, kahit hindi ka daw manalo, siya maghuhugas ng kotse mo buong taon. So, Eddie.
First of all, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. You know what Mother's Day is, right? So I wish that you have a kids that in the top someday. So happy Mother's Day.
Galing talaga ni Kuya Eddie. Parang kakandidato na si Kuya Eddie. Okay, Eddie. Katites, your spin. Okay? Hindi ikaw iikot ha. Hindi ikaw rin naman. Okay. Almost! Spa ulit! Okay. So, car was na lang yung natitira. Okay? This is more than $200 kasi for the whole year ko. 1 year car was to. Okay? Manjumong! Come here. Come on, Jumong. Say something to Mommy. It's Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. I love you. Thank you for everything. Thank you for being there for me. I know it's still recovering. But here,
Isa pa, yung next is kanyang ipasa. Si Jung talaga a man of few words. Okay, si Jenny. Hold it. Alright, next. Nanay. Kasi ano?
O, mag-support kami ni ano? Ni Apo mo.
Okay, nanay.
Hindi na makukuha yan ah.
Okay, Ate Mercy. Lalakihan natin yung ano. Ano mas ma?
Patay ko yan mo.
Okay. Para mas malaki. Ganyan natin na ako mahuhuli. Okay. Ang nanay. Okay, next. Huwag kang mananalo ng mga ngayon. Nagaya. Yeah. Dapat. Dapat, okay, sa tikot mo. Hindi pwede yun. Ano? Ay, ano ko? Hindi pwede yun. Okay. Okay, it's the turn, Grace. Okay, dapat may sa tikot. She's done.
Ano ba mag-ikot?
Yeah. Okay. There we go.
Oh, walang nag-claim ha. Walang tao.
Yo, pa, Joseph, dito kami ito na. Whatever, ano, okay.
Pagkatapos na. Okay.
Nagkal pa daw, balik sa niya.
Nagdagdag si Pastor, another $100. Okay na namin kayo. Uy, nasa kailangan na Pastor. Okay. Now, we're gonna get okay.
Any of them will win the prize.
Okay.
Okay, good. Okay. So, game is over. Congratulations, Asmara. Congratulations. Yeah. Pastor's face is granted. God is good. Yes. Okay. Okay, thank you, thank you.
Pwede. Mag-spin daw siya. Bayan. Sige, spin mo na.
Mag-skip ka. Mag-skip ka.
Wala na.
Jeff is gonna give you time. Okay?
Hello? Vote for me. I'm running for council.
Wala ka rin.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Thank you very much. Thank you. And again, thank you for all the nurses that helped make this one happen. Renner, thank you. And all the men, thank you very much. And of course, for all the moms.
Oh, my partner. Ay, may partner. Oh, may partner. Ay, sakto